Make this 3-ingredient roll-on so that you can have clear, amazing skin. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this recipe. Before I tell you what you'll need to make this recipe, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making using your essential oils super easy. That's why with our March recipe box, we give you all the ingredients that you'll need to make the recipes, or you can also get more ingredients on our website. I'm gonna grab my ingredients from Simply Earth's DIY face care kits. Looks like we're gonna be using our serum base, Clear Skin, and a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, as well as almond oil from our big bonus box. First things first, I am gonna get my Rollon Insert out. You can find this nifty tool on Simply Earth's website. Next, I'm gonna add in my Clear Skin essential oil blend. So for this, I'm gonna add 10 drops. Next, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my serum base. And last but not least, we're gonna fill the rest of the bottle up with our almond oil. Almond oil is super lightweight and it feels amazing on your skin. This recipe uses a 5% dilution rate, which is a little bit more than we're normally used to using. So make sure you are only using this when you need to. Those with super sensitive skin, you'll only wanna use a little bit at a time. Don't forget to label it. All right, now that it's labeled, let's test it out. It feels great, super luxurious, and you're gonna love it. You can make this clear skin roll-on too. If you wanna learn how to turn natural ingredients into a clear skin roll-on just like this guy, then you'll want the Simply Earth recipe box. It actually teaches you how to unlock the power of all natural ingredients. I love to see all your creations on social media, so go ahead and take a picture of all the recipes that you make from this box and tag from Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis so that we can see all of those lovely creations too. You'll also be entered into our monthly $5 gift card giveaway. Follow Simply Earth for more natural recipes just like this guy.